My name is Cody Brooks. I am a groundskeeper at the College of Wooster. College of Wooster, we are a Division III athletic school. So we have 6 athletic fields we mow and maintain throughout the year. With the Ventrac, we've been using that now for 2 years, and it's made life a lot easier, being the mower being faster, more efficient with fuel, less compaction and wear on all of our fields. Standards are set high here. This is a very prestigious school, and I think a lot of people take a lot of pride in it, especially for game days. You know, they want the best looking field they could possibly have. Generally, we mow them about 3 times a week, sometimes 2, depending on weather conditions. And if there's varsity games, then they're generally mowed for every game. So all 6 fields, that takes us about 3 to probably 4 hours. We used to use a 9-foot flex deck mower, and now since we've been using the wide area mower, we've saved about an hour and a half, 2 hours of time. The speed you can mow is faster. We are mowing at around 7 to 8 miles an hour on athletic fields. Wide area mowers in the past, its mowing speed is only 3.5 miles per hour, so this is over twice as fast mowing speed. This is our 3rd season at the College of Wooster, and the amount of dead areas and compaction that we used to have, especially around the edge of the fields, in the corners where we used to turn a lot, those areas have recovered, being a lot lighter tractor, and the articulating definitely helps with compaction and turning and not tear up so much turf. This Ventrac is much easier to get on and off of since it's much closer to the ground. There's debris on the field, if there's baseballs left on the field, a lot of different things, so being able to get on and off is definitely an added bonus. So yeah, I've chopped those up before. It's amazing how much yarn's in a baseball. It's important to keep colleges nice because the expectations of faculty, staff, administration, all of our athletics, everyone expects very nice grounds. We thrive to be attractive for incoming students. Our athletic teams expect good playing fields, good conditions, and so we just try to keep everything as nice as we can and try to impress people.